Daanan mo lang. Has someone ever told you, kung may pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, daanan mo lang? At one point in my life, may nagsabi sa akin nun, kung may pinagdadaanan ka, that means you're going through some rough times. Just go through it, but don't stay in it. And there's some wisdom there, because that means you just have to keep moving forward. And sometimes moving forward can be very slow, even painful. Moving forward can be a struggle, because it also means giving up things, giving up luxuries, giving up bad habits, giving up sins na nakasanayan na. Para alam mo, kahit mahirap yung pinagdadaanan mo, hindi ka naman nag-iisa. Dadaan ka sa pagsubok, pero kasama mo si Lord. Hindi ka naman niya iniwan eh. Madalas tayo yung nangiiwan sa Kanya. The way forward may be hard, but it is bearable. It is bearable with Christ. It is bearable when you have your friends and family who love you and supports you. And it is bearable when you have hope in you. Kaya don't let go of your hope. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. And I'm sure hindi ka lang dadaan, pero may mapupulot ka rin na wisdom and strength and virtue. After this, you'll be a different person, a better person, a more humble one, and a wiser one too.